this would be the river of water intentionally drawn to us. So do you see the precipitation converging at our northwest tip going into Canada? Well, there out on Camino Island is a very strong tower, a Nexrad tower that you think is just supposed to listen and watch for weather patterns. Well, it generates them, and it tugs on them, and it pushes on them, and whatever else. And you're seeing firsthand this river drawn. Well, this whole system is being pulled on by several towers, but you see the river that branches off to us. This giant river is probably created over a long period of time. You see this system still turning beyond it. But look at that straight line. That's amazing. Hold on. Watch this straighten out. It's nuts. Look at that. Watch. Towards it gets the end. Look at that. That's like a fucking over 1,000 miles.